Hi, today's program is Anagram strings. I will show you the program without using sorting and only using strings. It is a very short and simple program for you to learn. It will be very easy. So, hi, I'm CGR and welcome to Education Valley. Today we have another amazing video on the Java program. So, let's do it. Let's first understand the logic of the program. The logic of the program is to remove the alphabet from the other string. For example, H from here, I will remove H from here. HE, I will remove from here. A, I will remove from here. R, and then I will remove T. So essentially, this will become a nil, and if I will check here, it will render length is equal to 0 because it is nil. Then it will be anagram string, otherwise it will not. So with this logic, let's see the breakdown. So the first example is heart and earth. So everyone has earth and few people have heart. But yes, for our purposes, we will like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, its length 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First we create object to take the input, and then we convert that input to the lowercase because it may not match the H and E in the both of the letters. It can be capitalized, but for anagram string that is not our purpose. So we convert it both to lowercase. After that, we find the length of one of the strings and we take one of the strings in another string because we don't directly use one of the string because it will change. So we don't want to do that. So system.out.println, this line is just for printing purposes so that it leaves a space after you make the input. So here we open the loop. I is equals to 0, I less than L, I plus plus will. Then char C is equals to char at I. Char at I is equals to 0. So we first letter B, we are taking from B dot char at I. B dot char at I. It first is char C is E. So we take E inside heart. We find E is equals to, it is at first position. So int E is equals to char dot C as the first position. Let's I will show you E is equals to -1 why that break is essential, but for now let's construct how things is going in that loop. So first is heart, then we found E, so substring 0 to E, 0 to E, 0 to E. So in substring, whenever you put in 0 to 2, for example, if you put 0 to 2, it will only take 0 and 1. That's how substrings work. And the second here I take only one. If you put only one input, for example 2 here A, so including 2, all other will be taken. These two are the only things that I think you have to remember in this program for to work. Otherwise everything is really easy. You just remember how substrings works. 0 to E, it will take one position before E. Okay, so HEART, we remove E. Like first string first takes H and then string second ART. E plus 1 is E is 8. So E plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and H from here. It removes E. It removes E. Now we have HART. Then we move to the second EA. Then we come EA, the position is still 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, E is still 0, 1, and then it will remove A. The same way it removed A. Then we will remove R. Then it becomes HT and then H. All of those are very easy, but just last one is a little bit tricky to understand, but yes. So 0 to E, it is substring. It's not like it will not render any error at any point in the program because substring is only trying to extract the a part of the string. It never gives errors if you give a wrong position. For example, for in the last part it is only h, e plus 1, it will be 1, but 1 is not present, so it will render nil. This 0 to e is 0 to 0, it doesn't take, so it will also render nil. And first plus second, it's nil, both are nil. So if, just like I showed, if removes everything, it will be nil, and rest length will be 0, and it will be an anagram string. Otherwise else it will not be an anagram string. Now when I made the program, it was breaking for some reason, because whenever it was not found or something like that. So if the letter is not, for example, I am doing heart and Java. So as soon as index is not found, why do we need to run any iteration? Just break the program. So index of C, it will render -1 only when it is nothing, no position is found. So it will directly break the program, and rest length will not be 0, and it will just break it out. So this is the program. It will be in the description. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, or if you want me to break any other program, please mention in the comment, and I will do it with most pleasure. Let's run it once. Yeah. So here it's Java anagram void main string args. Okay. First word HART. First word. Second word ARTH, earth. It is an anagram string. args. Okay. Enter first word. Let me do a tricky one. HEART, heart, and the second is here. HEAR, here. It is not an anagram string. Yes, perfect. So that was it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it. If you have a friend, do share.